inequalities in two variables. All right. Is the ordered pair a solution to the inequality? So they give us an inequality like y less than or equal to negative 5x. And then they give us two ordered pairs that we need to plug in and see if they are solutions or not. So we obviously have to plug in both of them when we do this. So we plug it in, 2 less than or equal to negative 5 times 3. So 2 less than or equal to negative 15. So is this a solution?
No.
No. Then plugging in the other one, 1 is less than or equal to negative 5 times negative 2. So 1 is less than or equal to 10. Is that a solution?
Yes.
So that's all you have to do on ones like that. So the big thing in this section, and really all we're doing pretty much in this section, is actually graphing inequalities. So number 8, x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so how do I know if it's solid or dotted and which direction to shade?
If it's an equal to, it's going to be solid. If it's not an equal to, it's going to be dotted.
Yep. If you accidentally make something solid, like, and it's supposed to be dotted, you can just like make a note that it's dotted. Just if that happens, especially if you're using like colors to graph with, just make a note of that. So what is this graph gonna look like?
It's going to be vertical.
Yep.
So
And then it's going to be shaded that way.
So at 6, and is it solid or dotted?
Solid.
Solid.
Solid. And which way am I shading?
Right.
So either way, it's going to be to
To the right.
the right.
You're so smart.
That's not.
What? Just cheating again.
Y'all have highlighters too.
Uh-huh.
School supplies.
Well,
It was.
I can chuck one at you.
Highlighter. I just don't want to use it.
I have a surplus of markers. You're welcome to use.
Surplus is a cool word. I like that word.
You have to
Stop.
say that poem in speech class.
That's too difficult, Daniel.
This is
Difficult.
Does that mean a bunch of
Couldn't
oranges?
take-
Miss Quinn,
Like,
did you know
it's
that
literally
every single
also
E in
a
Mercedes is
poem.
pronounced differently?
Never really thought about it.
Mercedes.
Whoa.
Alright, 12. Y less than 3x plus 3. And so this one is a normal graph, right?
Whoa.
I feel like that needs to.
It's gonna be dotted. We're gonna start at the point.
Start at 3.
Stop. This is almost.
Did you say it was solid or dotted?
Dotted.
Yep.
This is almost a flat line. Stop. My little brother gets mad at me when I say that too. It's because it's obnoxious.
Alright, and am I shading above or below?
We're gonna be shading to the lefty of it.
What do you mean by that?
Like on the left side of it.
No.
Y is less than. So we need to shade where the Y values are smaller than the line. Where is Y smaller?
On the right side.
down here.
Just cheated again.
Oh, I see.
Please stop.
Wait, why is it going on?
Because y is smaller down here.
Yeah. It only has like that little
Oh, okay.
thingy
I got
right
it.
there.
And we can, I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but we can actually check a point and see if it's true or not. So, yep, I can do 0, 0. So 0 is less than 3 times 0 plus 3. So 0 is less than 3. Is that true?
Yes.
So I shaded the right direction. Now, don't pick a point that's up here really close to it that's going to be like iffy. Choose something like dramatic on one side or the other when you're going to check it. Or like that you clearly know, like 0, 0. I'm okay on these problems if your homework is not in pencil. If you want to do like colors like highlighters or use like something to draw your line, that's, you know, fun. Have colorful homework for once. 14. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2/3 x minus 2.
Don't even know her name.
Alright, so where does this one start?
Goes at a -2.
Negative 2 on the y, and what happens with that slope?
It's gonna go down to right 3.
Down to right 3,
You're so small.
or up 2 and back 3. And are we solid or dotted?
Solid.
Solid. Alright, which way do I shade this one?
Oh,
Y is greater than, so it's going to be up here. Also, if you use a marker and you happen to shade the wrong way and you realize you've shaded the wrong way, you can just make a note that you shaded it and just like do something like this and just be like shade down here or something, like just label it so you don't have to like come back.
What, waggy?
So you don't like completely have to. What is happening?
He's using controller for magic spells. That's bad.
what you get for cheating.
Because then her powers are going to be out of control.
You have to learn how to control it like Elsa. Alright, one more of these. 16. X plus 4y is greater than negative 12.
What?
I know how to do this one, man. Because I was born and raised with this one.
Any idea what I can do with this
Put
one?
the X on the right side so you can get it into the slur formula.
Not do it.
Then you gotta divide by y. Then you change the sign thingy.
Could also use the cover up method.
Then that's negative
The copperhead
1
method?
over 4.
Cover up.
Minus 3. And then, yeah.
Rainbow does the tango.
How about I just use the cover up method and find intercepts?
That'd be a
That
lot
also
simpler.
works.
Yeah, I did
That's
that
what I
all the
thought.
time with the,
Yeah.
copper.
What would the x-intercept be?
-12.
Negative
Oh, is that when you just cover it up?
Okay, well, I'm going to shift this over because I did that way too close over.
You should join our basketball team.
Is that legal?
What?
Doubt it.
Because you're shifty.
Shifty.
Okay.
I think it's
Go to our basketball team. You're so bullshit.
Okay, might have been a little excessive there. What's the y-intercept?
4.
Nope.
Negative 3.
-3.
What?
I just said the first number that came to my mind.
Oh.
Wasn't
I thought it
7.
would be 7.
Not today. I don't know what's going on.
Alright, are we solid or dotted?
Dotted.
Dotted.
Oh, dotted.
All this stuff.
Whoa.
Don't line up, and then this is how we're gonna go. We're gonna show you walk and show every single step.
Because now you're in a class where I expect that you already know how to do that, so I don't make you show it.
Yeah.
In Algebra 1, I make them show this.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Don't know, but
Because
Anyways,
they're asking us to already know how
that's
to do
greater
it,
than
but
Yeah.
when we were taught how
You
to
always
do
said
it,
that.
we weren't taught how to do it.
it great.
Alright, where am I shading?
That way.
We're gonna
Uh,
be
It's
shading-
just
Up.
It's weird.
I've literally sat here since the beginning of the year.
I know that because I kept looking everywhere.
If it was x minus
It's
4y,
purple.
It's purple.
Miss,
I
Yo,
really
Lord,
just thought
this
you
way.
sat there.
if it was x minus 4y, wouldn't we be shading on the bottom because we had to subtract or divide by a negative?
No.
Horrible.
No, it's just where it's greater than.
Okay, so even if the sign switches when you're dividing by a negative.
Mm.
Wait,
Ow! I hit my elbow.
does the sign switch when you divide by negative?
Yes.
So if,
But
if
that would
we-
have changed this entire problem.
Yeah, so if the problem was x minus 4y, would we be shading on the bottom?
Yes.
Okay.
But your graph would look totally different. Because the intercept would be up here instead of down here.
Don't
Okay. You like hurt speakers sometimes.
Did you touch my hand?
What?
Ow! I didn't say hit me.
Okay. I think that's good for this section. Are y'all good or do you need to see any more?
No, we're all set.
Everybody's okay.
You didn't sound really good
All right.
yesterday.
Giving you a ton of problems. I want you to know that.
Yeah.
Good.
Why?
And x.
Huh.
Oh, she just erased it. Okay, cool. No homework.
Are these optional?
No.
Yeah.
I mean, it's optional if you want a 0.
That's
You
so
really
many.
need a- How many points off is that?